might be the one time I'm speechless.
Little check-in for you. I don't know where this is going to get put in. I don't know what the video is going to be like. All I know is I just keep giving you updates because I'm not doing any time lapses because, you know, you're going to see someone's butt and have no idea what the hell they're doing. So, I got the nose panel back off. The front bumper is mounted. Got to take the headlight capsules off. I have to fix this guy right here, right there, and this little guy right here. I'm going to be doing that today. I have to get the booster pack to give power to the windows to roll them down. Got these moldings off. Got the whole side of the car prepped. So this side, other than some scuffing here or there, I got to take the moldings off to finish scuffing, door handles off. I took the gas cap off. Took the tail lights out. So this all has to be scuffed back here. That has to come off. This has already been scuffed. Honestly, most of this I think is for my record, so I know what the hell I did. I got to scuff this. So it's a little bit more scuffing, but we DA'd the whole half of the car. So this is going to get primed tonight, and then the hood's going to get primed tonight. And then she's ready for paint. You know, Friday I do some cleanup, and then we throw it on the trailer, and we bring it to where the paint is going to get painted in, where I'm going to paint it. Yes. Unfortunately, I said yes, I'm painting it. So, that's going to be interesting. After it's painted, I still have to free up the calipers in the back. I may just buy two calipers. I know one's messed up, but it seems like the e-brake is just stuck on the on position because it just flops around, and it's really hard to move the car. I need to do one coolant hose right here. I got a new one for here with a proper T, so that's better. And then I do the cooling system. You know, I bring it to a vacuum, and it sucks all the coolant in, and everybody's happy. The car still runs and drives very well. Yeah, I've got some interior cleaning to do. It got a little moist, so that side's kind of gross. But all around, not too shabby. I gotta take more stuff off like this. So I'm gonna take some stuff apart. And yeah, look at that. Ta-da! Oh, and it hits the door. So wish me luck. I'll check in later tonight when we are doing some more sanding and hopefully priming. We're going to do priming. No, hopefully. We're going to do the priming. See you guys soon. Good morning, YouTube. How are we doing? Wanted to give you a little check-in. We've been just banging out this whole thing out in a week. This is 1 week we've been doing this for all this body work. So let me fill you in where we're at today. It is Friday the 16th. That means I have 13 days to have this car ready and leave for Wolfsgard. So, getting kind of sketchy. We're going to be painting it tomorrow and putting it back together, well, towing it back on Sunday. So that's the plan, is to tow it to the body shop, to the paint booth tomorrow. So you're going to see how much body work I have left to do tonight. And I still have to work my day job. So, we got the nose panel, a few spots here or there. This is the bumper. She's looking great. Just need to, this was where there was a crack. The piece was broken. So I was able to repair it. Now I'm just laying down some putty here, some thin putty. That's all we need there. These were just a few bruises here I wanted to take care of. So most of that will be DA'd down. There'll just be like little holes, little pins of blue. Bumper looks great, to be honest. Cadillac looks like garbage with sap everywhere. And into the half-ass garage. This just blew over a few minutes ago because I was just out here. But yeah, the hood is all primed. The roof is all primed. Ready to be DA'd. So we got a DA. Oh, and DA the fender because there was a little bit of a wave there. And scuff a bunch of stuff, to be honest. So, like I said in a prior check-up, sure, whatever. We're at the doctor's office. It's fine. Dr. Dan's here at your service. I just need to go through and obviously, you know, DA all this stuff down to get it smooth again, but I just got to go through and just scuff all the edges one more time. Make sure That's honestly the biggest thing, is just double check with scuff pads and just methodically go through it one more time. I rushed through it with the DA and stuff. The DA was the easy part, but make sure you scuff every single edge. If not, it's gonna look like hot garbage when it starts peeling and flaking off at edges, because it's terrible. So it's looking good. We're doing good here. Paint tomorrow. I'll give you an update. You know, we're not doing any time lapses or anything, so we're going so fast that there's no way to get the camera in here really. So we're just doing it. This is just going to be an episode of doing it. Maybe 2 episodes, but definitely an episode of doing it. I will time lapse me painting it though. I'm going to be spraying it, so that's going to be interesting. So stay tuned. So, hatches off to spray. So, come along on this epic journey to be finally painting the car the right way with some good guns, too. Step 1 was painting. Clean it and then tack wrap it. heat clear. It doesn't really lay down all that nice. But there's clear coat on it now. I'm loving the color. The color is definitely yellow Porsche. I don't know where the word candy apple came in when I bought it, but it's definitely just being red. I just put it back on top of red, so. Oh yeah, there you go. Let me give you some bright light, some different color light, warmer, colder. Look at that. Oh yeah, daddy. Yeah. Well, nice wet sand and buff will be all right. I don't think we did a very good job taping this window off. Wow. Well, I'm excited to come back tomorrow and take it out. Hopefully it'll be sunny out. I can wish, I can dream, I can hope. And I see some sunlight out right now. Grab one of those cups, buddy. We're gonna go outside and take a look at this out in the real sun. My God! Wow.
Yeah, it's actually better than I thought.
That's cool.
Oh, you're gonna look good outside.
Are we about
Should have
this?
seen this.
Dude, I don't even want to keep these. I gotta do a GT style headlight. That's why I
should have at least.
Awesome, dude. Let me see. Is it upsetting that I actually did something decent?
The next day.
It almost doesn't look like shit. Zach, I want to put the bumper on so it looks less like shit because the bumper looks great. Well, gee, look at that. Nice new black trims to go on. I just ordered some new black hood pins. Trim around the window of the mirrors. At least. The drip rail's gonna be black because Zach thought of that. That's gonna look awesome. That's it. I'm gonna like that.
Oh yeah.
That's a good choice.
Yeah, it's gonna be black. First time all put together.
Good thought process. I got door handles, dude, so I'll actually have a working patch with the door handle.
Let's do it over there, right?
We're gonna move the car.